Hey, welcome to my channel. Just a quick one, wanted to show you today. I've been trying out these brushes. These are Reach It brushes. So this is the Radial Lite from Reach It. And I've also got here the Radial Rocker as well. Pretty nice brushes. I've been trying these out. Now these are really tricky to get hold of in the UK. We don't have the same wide range of products. Some of the suppliers don't always stock them in the UK, I suppose not quite the size market that perhaps in the US, stuff like that. Anyway, long story, someone sent me these to try out, so I wanted to give them a try. I thought I'd show you on the channel. If you've used these brushes, I'd be really interested to know what you think of them. Please comment below, let me know how you get on with them. I'll tell you about what I think, but it'd be really good to get your point of view as well. So yeah, so here we go then. I've been using them on a phantom pole here. First of all, they look really nicely made, and the main body of the brush is kind of metal construction. So straight away, that's really smart. It's got integrated rinse bar into the body of the brush along the top there. And these, I suppose these are, you'd say these are DuPont bristles. And down the middle, much shorter, a couple of sets of much shorter DuPont bristles there. So you can really feel straight away, you know you're going to get a good scrub out of this brush. Also, it's got a really solid swivel attachment as well, which is really smart, and it just attaches with a little bolt there. It actually comes with a little tool like this. You can literally just tweak that, loosen it, tighten it, get it just how you want. So that's really nice. You see, I've put it straight onto an angle adapter to go in my facelift phantom pole here. It comes with its own angle adapter there. Now what a lot of the brands do is they'll make it so that you have to use their pole with their angle adapter. So you see this one's got a little notch in it there, obviously to fit their pole, but you can get around that easily. Just if you take it off at this point here, completely unscrew it, you can just swap it over and it'll fit exactly the same. So I've just done that to fit it on the phantom angle adapter, just like that, and it locks in place. So you've got the flexibility there. And the Radial Rocker here, it's a very similar concept, much the same thing. Nice thing about this, you've got these rubber bumpers on the end, and you get these changeable pads on down the center. Now that rocks and moves slightly with your movements, and that's all just on a Velcro pad, and you get all these different pads to choose from. There's like a microfiber pad, steel wool, bronze wool, there's this blue pad like that, and then like what they're called, I think, magic sponge. Now they're on Velcro. Some of them have got these elastic on the end that just slips over like that. So these are really cool. And I used this is a real heavy brush. I don't think you'd use this all the time. I did use it on a first clean, and it worked out really well on the first clean. And I do like these rubber bumpers on the side. Makes a big difference if you're not bashing around the window, so I much prefer that. But it's this one mainly that I've been using on my regular cleans, obviously because it's a lot lighter. The first thing that confuses me slightly about this is on the ends of here, it's got these the plastic end caps, rather than the nice soft rubber ones that this one has. I think this one should have the rubber like these ones, because what I'm finding is actually the bristles are a bit short. The thing is, in the UK we have a lot of chunky UPVC window frames, so the brushes I normally use slightly longer bristles, gets round the frame nicely, round the vent along the top. So what I found with these is they're actually a bit awkward to get round the vent, round the frame. Even when you're on the glass, you tend to find that this end piece is bashing against the frame as you're coming down the edges of the glass. So that's a slight concern for me, really, because, well, especially at the moment, most people are at home. if you're turn up to clean the windows and you're bashing around the windows as you're cleaning them, I don't think, if you're trying to offer a high quality service and you're bashing their windows about, I don't think that comes across very well to the customer. I even used it on some solar panels actually, which was really good because there's obviously no window frames, so I've got a really nice scrub on the panels and a really nice rinse that made it nice and quick and easy to do the solar panels. So it works out really well on things like that. I mean, overall I did quite like these brushes. They're definitely really good quality. The bristles, you definitely feel like you're getting a much better scrub on the glass. I've been trying to use the reach it technique, which they promote on their website. So the whole idea of the brushes really is you can really go down the window, go down the glass with a lot less scrubbing action. You don't need all the scrubbing action that I'd normally kind of recommend, but you can really come down the glass and you get the scrub and the rinse all in one go. So what I found is actually the rinse bar is chucking an awful lot of water onto the glass. But the idea is if you use that technique and you can stick to that technique, then you're getting the scrub and the rinse all in one go. So ultimately, I suppose in theory, you're using less water if you're able to clean the window more quickly. You're making more money if you're able to get through work more quickly. It's that kind of concept. The problem I think with these brushes is in the UK, the way our systems are set up, the way we've got the van systems and everything, I think most guys use pumps that run at 5 litres per minute. I've had to turn my pump up to about 90 on the controller. It's gone up to about 90 in order to get the proper flow from the rinse bar. Now that is an awful lot of water that I'm using. So I'm thinking, am I going to need a bigger tank? I've got a 600 litre tank and I'm getting through all my water basically in a day. So I'm trying to stick to the technique. I'm trying to use it as efficiently as I can. I still think I'm getting through a lot of water. And also my pump is turned up nearly to the maximum. So is that extra strain on my pump? I mean, I could replace the pump and get one that delivers a higher flow of water. That's the problem I think in the UK. Are they going to have to change the pump? Are they going to have to change the tank, the way they work, just so that they can use these brushes? I think those things, along with the shorter bristles and bashing around the window frames, I don't think it's a brush I'd use all the time. But like I say, I did enjoy the brushes. I like the concept, I like the idea. It's just those little niggles really for me. There you go anyway. I hope you find it useful. As I say, I'd like to know what you think. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to check out the playlist. There's loads more there about water-fed pole window cleaning and traditional window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter clearing. It's all there on my channel. Check it out. Catch up with you guys again soon.